Let me ask you a question. Why do most traders lose? Is it because they are not smart enough? No. Is it because they don't try hard enough? No again. It's because they've been fed lies. Trading myths. They sound convincing. They feel true. But they're silently draining your account. Today, in this video, we will break down the top 5 trading myths that keep traders broke. And I'll do it in a way that's simple, real, and actionable. We will share stories. We will expose the truth. And we will give you the exact steps to avoid these traps. So, grab a pen and notebook. Because this might be the lesson that changes your trading forever. Myth 1. The more trades you take, the more money you will make. I believed this one early on. I thought trading was like fishing. The more lines I threw into the water, the more fish I'd catch. But you know what happened? I ended up overtrading. Dozens of entries. Dozens of losses. And an account that bled out faster than I could refill it. Here's why this myth feels true. The market is always moving. Every candle looks like an opportunity. It makes you think you are missing out. But here is the reality. More trades equal more mistakes. More mistakes equals more losses. Profitable traders don't take every signal. They wait. They filter. They only take high probability setups. Think about baseball. A batter doesn't swing at every pitch. They wait for the one in their zone. Trading is no different. The truth, quality beats quantity. Practical shift. Limit your daily trades. 2 to 3 max. Journal every entry and exit. If you don't see your A+ setup, don't touch the button. Patience is your edge here. Myth 2. Risking more will help you recover faster. We've all felt this one. You lose a trade. Your emotions flare up. And you think, if I double the next trade, I can make it back. I did it once. Lost $200. Risked $500 on the next trade. And guess what? I lost that too. In just a few clicks, my account was crippled. This is why revenge trading is so dangerous. It feels logical. It feels like you're being smart. But bigger risk equals bigger emotional pressure. And emotional pressure destroys your decision-making. Professionals don't fight losses this way. They do the opposite. When they lose, they cut risk. They slow down. They protect their capital. Because they know. It's not about winning it all back fast. It's about staying in the game long enough for your edge to work. The truth, you can't outbet the market. Practical shift. Keep risk fixed at 1 to 2% of your account per trade. If you hit 3 losses in a row, cut risk in half. Or step away. Protect your energy. Protect your money. That's how you recover, not by gambling bigger. Myth 3. Indicators will give you the perfect signal. This one hooked me hard. I thought if I found the right indicator, I'd finally crack the code. So I stacked them all. MACD. RSI. Bollinger Bands. Even random custom ones I downloaded online. My chart looked like a Christmas tree. And every time I wanted to take a trade, one indicator said buy. Another said sell. And another flashed neutral. Confusing, right? Here's the truth. Indicators don't predict. They lag. They only show what price has already done. That's why professional traders don't rely on them. They focus on price action first. Market structure. Support and resistance. Trends. Indicators? They're tools. Not magic. Not shortcuts. Think of them like sunglasses. They can help reduce the glare. But they don't change the sun. The truth, price action leads. Indicators follow. Practical shift. Start with a clean chart. Learn to read structure. Then add 1 or 2 indicators at most. Use them as confirmation, not as decision makers. This shift alone clears 80% of the confusion most traders face. Don't be one of them anymore. Myth 4. You can flip a small account into millions overnight. We've all seen those Instagram posts. Traders flashing cars, cash, and Rolexes. They show a $200 account flipped into $20,000 in a week. And your brain goes, maybe I can do that too. I thought that way too. Put $200 into my account. Went all in with high leverage. And in less than a week. Margin call. Here's the problem with this myth. It feeds greed. It blinds you to risk. And it pushes you to gamble. Professional traders? They know trading is not a lottery. It's a business. It grows slow. It compounds. That $500 account may only make $5 to $10 a trade at 1% risk. Sounds boring. But it's real. You grow from $500 to $1,000 to $5,000 to $10,000. Step by step. That's how real wealth in trading is built. The truth, overnight flips are rare, risky, and short-lived. Practical shift. Focus on percentages, not dollars. Set realistic growth targets. 5 to 10% a month is solid. Reinvest profits to compound growth. Slow and steady is how accounts survive. And how traders actually last in this game. Myth 5. Trading is easy money. This is the biggest lie of all. Trading is often sold as a lifestyle. Work from anywhere. Just click a button and make $500 a day. And yes, trading can give you freedom. But easy? Never. Here's what people don't see. The sleepless nights. The practice hours. The charts studied. The journal pages filled with wins and losses. Trading is simple in theory. Buy low, sell high. But it's not easy. It requires discipline. Patience. Emotional control. The traders who win long-term? They treat it like a craft. They put in the representatives like athletes. They study like students. And they execute like professionals. The truth, trading is a skill, not a shortcut. Practical shift. Respect the process. Commit to journaling. Keep improving, even after wins. Because when you treat trading as a career, it rewards you. When you treat it like a quick hustle, it punishes you. Let's tie this together. The myths that keep traders broke. More trades equals more money. Risk more to recover faster. Indicators give perfect signals. Flip small accounts overnight. Trading is easy money. All lies. All dangerous. All account killers. But now, you know the truth. Trading is about patience. About managing risk. About waiting for your edge. And treating this business with respect. If you can break free from these myths, you'll already be ahead of 90% of traders out there. So here's our challenge for you. Take one myth you've been guilty of. Admit it. Write it down. And commit to never falling for it again. That's how transformation begins. If this lesson helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more deep dive content. And share this with another trader who needs to hear the truth. Thanks for sticking with us through this video. You've just taken another step toward consistency. Now go to your chart. Apply what you've learned. And remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint.